Hey guys and girls, in this video, we're going to take a look at the best smart home devices. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the smart home devices in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to register with your email address on the page linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best smart home devices on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the Sonos Rome portable smart speaker. Key features: compatible with Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant. Water resistant with an IPX4 rating. Up to 10 hours of battery life. The Sonos Rome is deservedly our favorite waterproof smart speaker, offering sleek and portable design and great sound at an agreeable price. In addition to Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands, the Wi-Fi equipped gadget also supports Apple AirPlay 2 wireless playback. Impressively, the Rome is compatible with key wireless chargers like most smartphones. Sonos offers the speaker in black, white, olive, sunset, and wave color options, with the last 3 being brand new. Number 9. Philips Hue White and Color Smart Lighting Kit. Key features: compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit. Bundled Hue hub can control up to 50 lights. Customizable smart button. Philips Hue smart lights have always been among the industry's best, and this easy-to-install comprehensive kit is no exception. It includes a trio of light bulbs that can produce millions of colors and thousands of shades of white, allowing you to always find the perfect ambiance, all with the touch of a button from its convenient app. The kit also includes a connectivity hub and a smart button. You can expand it by purchasing standalone lights. The hub supports up to 50. Coming at number 8, AirMega 250S Smart Air Purifier. Key features: compatible with Amazon Alexa, multi-level filtration setup. The Kawe AirMega 250S Smart Air Purifier is also today's best. Its sophisticated filter setup allows it to remove microscopic airborne particles and pollutants in more than 900 square feet of space. You can control the air purifier via a sleek smartphone app and Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. A larger capacity Kawe AirMega 400S variant is also available. Coming at number 7, EcoSmart Thermostat Premium. Key features: compatible with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and the Google Assistant. Built-in smart speaker, 3-year warranty. The EcoSmart Thermostat Premium can monitor the temperature and the air quality. Another bit we like about the gadget is that it can also alert you upon detecting smoke and sudden temperature drops. To top things off, it has a minimalist design and super intuitive controls. With an integrated speaker and microphones, the Smart Thermostat Premium will allow you to interact with virtual assistants and play music or podcasts via a built-in speaker and microphones. Number 6. August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. Key features: compatible with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and the Google Assistant. Compatible with existing deadbolts. Up to 6 months of battery life. The updated August Wi-Fi Smart Lock is compatible with most deadbolts, so that it can integrate just about any front door into a smart home setup. A mobile app allows you to manage access to the lock, check its usage history, and receive notifications when someone opens the door. You can even grant access to specific people while away from home. We especially like that this gadget allows you to keep your existing home keys. The Wi-Fi Smart Lock Pro is compatible with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and Google Assistant. Coming in at number 5, Wyze Campbell V3 Smart Home Security Camera. Key features: compatible with Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant. Full HD video streaming, pan and tilt motion tracking. The Wyze Campbell V3 is a smart, versatile, and reasonably priced home security camera whose weatherproof design and useful features belie its under $50 price tag. It can pan horizontally and tilt vertically, so it's ideal for large spaces. It can also detect and notify you about human and pet activity and loud noises while you are away. We like that the camera can store clips locally on a microSD card or in the cloud, with the last mentioned bit requiring an inexpensive subscription service. An onboard speaker for communicating while away rounds up the product's noteworthy features. Coming at number 4, Apple TV 4K 2022. Key features: Apple A15 Bionic chip, 64 128 GB of storage, 4K streaming, Dolby Vision, and HDR10 support. The third-generation Apple TV 4K is overwhelmingly the best streaming player available today. In addition, the gadget is a future-proof HomeKit and Matter hub that will allow you to control a host of compatible home appliances with Siri voice commands. Its top-spec version with an onboard Ethernet connector also supports Apple's Thread smart home protocol. It costs only $20 more than the entry-level model, and we highly recommend it. Thanks to the Apple TV 4K, you can control connected products not only with Siri commands, but also by swiping down to access the command center of your iPhone or iPad and the Home app that's available on all Apple gadgets. Number 3, Tapo P125M Smart Plug. Key features: compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, Samsung SmartThings, 2-year warranty. The minimalist Tapo P125M Smart Plug, one of TP-Link's latest, is among the product category's most future-proof offerings. The Matter-compatible gadget allows you to control it with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri voice commands. It doesn't need additional apps to set it up. You can integrate it into your connected home via the Amazon Alexa, Apple Home, or Google Home apps. Best of all, the Tapo P125M has an impulse buy price tag before factoring in additional deals and discounts. Ordering multiple units makes the product even cheaper. Coming at number 2, Amazon Echo 4th Gen. Smart speaker. Key features: built-in woofer and dual tweeters with Dolby Tech, smart home hub with Zigbee compatibility, eco-friendly design and packaging. The latest Amazon Echo is not only an excellent Alexa-powered speaker, but also a powerful smart home hub. It has a beautiful design and a surprisingly immersive sound, all at an amazing sub-$100 price point. Amazon offers the stylish fabric cover of the 4th generation Echo in charcoal, glacier white, or twilight blue. We like that the speaker is crafted from recycled aluminum, fabric, and plastics. Number 1. Roborock Q5 Robot Vacuum. Key features: compatible with Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant, vacuum and mopping capabilities, up to 180 minutes of continuous cleaning time. The Roborock Q5 is a sleek and quiet robot vacuum that can also mop your floors. It has sophisticated LiDAR navigation, room mapping tech, and superb cleaning capabilities. It delivers some of the best cleaning performance I've seen among robot vacuums, remarked my colleague Brandon Cart after putting the product through its paces. Impressively, the robot can clean for up to 3 hours between charges. In addition to voice commands, you can also control the Roborock Q5 via a mobile app. The latter allows you to select a room for the vacuum to clean. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best smart home devices. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you liked this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.